Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you I bought this beautiful My Beauty egg. Look fantastic. I'm so excited for this box. You get six product full size. So yeah, look at the packaging, how beautiful it is. I know. So let's see what I have got. Oops. Yeah, so beautiful. As these beautiful eggs. I really like this packaging, so beautiful, so colorful. You can see. So let's see what I have got in each box, and then they give you this beautiful leaflets telling you about the product. So let's see what I have got. So the first, I don't know, it is not in the number, so we take one egg randomly. So I start with that. Oops. If you can see how beautiful it is, protected well. So by, if you can see, wait, by Erno Lazio. So it is a carbon soap. Let's see what it does. It says Erno Lazio Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. It is made by Dead Sea Mud, and it is helped to detoxify the skin. So it contains 26 minerals. This bar protects and restores and cleanses the skin, leaving complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, the bar seals in and ensures the optimum moisture level while maintaining the skin pH level. So yeah, I think this is suitable for all kind of skin. So this is the first product, and it is worth 35 euros for 100 ml. So yes, this is the first one. So beautiful. Wait, it is like this, and it's so cute, the packaging. You can store your soap like this, and even it has holes. Yeah, we close. The first product is this one. And the second one, we see this one. So. You open like this. Laura Jello. It is a Doom Dreamer illuminating drops. What is that? It is like a highlighter. You can put it before your makeup to have a very dewy, beautiful makeup. And even you can put it here. So yeah, let's check it. Shake well to blend pigments oil before use. So yeah, you must shake it, and then let's see. Oh, wow. If you can see well, it's really like this. Dull and luxurious skin in this highly concentrated, ultra pigmented, liquid multi-use unimulated drops. Focuses formulated for ultimate versatility. This can be used on bare skin, blended moisturizer, foundation, or layered ultimate glow. So you can use it in your moisturized cream. You can put it before your makeup. You can put it after your makeup. So yeah, it is a multi-purpose product. So yeah, like this. Ooh, so beautiful. Let's open it. Oh, this is a Elemis Pro Collagen Overnight Matrix. It is a night cream. It's so luxurious. If you can see, this is 30 ml, and it costs. It is very expensive. It costs around 102 euros. So yeah, it is good for. Well, you can see, so beautiful. I don't know if you can see well. Yeah, such a luxurious brand. Very excited for that. A revolutionary anti-aging cream that uses to maximum concentration of powerful main extract Padina parvonica. This dairy cream transforms the skin. with a grain that found again free radicals. And this cream is an antioxidant properties, leaf and hydrated skin. It is good for anti-aging. So yeah, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is a shampoo by Wow and Wow. This is a color security shampoo, the ultimate dream clean, sulfate free, leaves no residue behind the dull color, weight half down. It is not heavy shampoo, so it is good for colored hair. And this is a Dream Crowd Supernatural Spray, magical transfer texture, humidity proof powers. So this is like a conditioner. So toward dry device section spray accessory. Before you do your blowout, you use it like a spray hair. So these are the two, and it's contain both contain 30 euros. Oh, this is this amazing aroma anti-aging. This is an eye serum. If you wait, if you can see, and it costs around 25 euros. Absolute eye cream. So rejuvenate the delicate area with this force absorbing anti-aging formula that smooth and moisturize the skin, enrich the bioactives. The serum minimize the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and it contains hyaluronic acid that plump the skin. So yeah, this is full size. This is 30 ml and made in UK. Yeah, the brand Aroma Works. So yeah, this is the fifth product. This is a primer. Good hydration, silky face primer hydrate by Bare Minerals. So what it does? Good hydration to silky face. Achieve a smooth makeup application with hydrating makeup primer, enriched with hyaluronic acid, glycerin, coconut alkane, fusiform replenishes moisture to improve the wear makeup with a soft focus. The primer it reduces the fine lines, pores, and giving you a flawless finish. And it costs around 30 euros. So yeah. Yes, and then the last product is mini cleanser. This is a by Foreo. If you can see, Luna Play. This is Luna Play. Transform your skin with this ultra portable facial cleansing device with this Luna Play 1 minute ritual. Perfect for all type skin, facial brush and gray. Encourages healthy skin. A travel size device combining T-Sony Precision technology with Foreo signature silicone brush devices. This device cleanses and exfoliates in just one step with a dual zoned range of silicone bristle. So yeah, it contains silicone bristle. If you can see, very soft. Then Sika bristle hair perfume intense cleanse wiper 35 euros. I must say the box is not bad because you got so much product. This product, so much full size product. I'm really impressed because I like this kind of beauty box. You get so much full size product to try, and if you try it, you like it, you can buy it again. So yeah, I like this box, and it costs around 62 euros. So I say it's a good deal because the cream costs 102 euros. So I say we have good. I have done a good deal. So we will meet next video, and then I have more unboxing to do. So till then, bye bye and take care. Bye bye guys. Bye. See you guys. Bye bye. Bye bye.